So today we are looking at Amos' teachings on the hypocritical religion. And we are starting at Amos chapter 4 verse 5. I'll explain later.
Come to me, offer a sacrifice of thanksgiving or that which is living, and proclaim freely for banish for so you have to do all people of Israel, seek the Lord. Come to your temple, offer a sacrifice giving which that which is living, and proclaim freely offering banish for so black to do all people of Israel, says the Lord.
For thus says the Lord, to the house of Israel, seek me and live.
But do not seek brethren, and do not enter into Gilead, or cross over to Beersheba. For Gilead shall surely go into exile, and brethren shall come to Lord.
Seek the Lord and be blessed, lest he break out like fire in the house of Joseph, and it be with man to quench it for better.
Oh, you who turn justice to wormwood, and cast down righteousness to the earth.
The Lord is his name, who makes destruction crash forth against the strong, so that destruction comes upon the confident.
Therefore, you put the upon the day, and take from his transaction of it. You have built houses of good food, but you shall not dwell on them. You have planted vineyards in the branches of the
For I know how they have good and how great are you. You come to and open bread and stand aside the needy in the street. We will put them in deep sins in such a thing. And eating shall seek God and not evil, that in my name. And show the Lord, for God of also be with you as you are free.
That is verse.
Each people and love good, and establish justice in the day. It will be that the Lord, the God of hosts, will gracious in the man of Joseph.
That is verse 6. Chapter? Verse 6. Verse 36. 26. Okay.
You shall take up something of food and go on
And by one you are stuck. You are images, which you are meant for yourself.
Therefore, I will take you to exile beyond Damascus, says the Lord, whose name is the God of hosts. Whose is there Ashma of Samaria and said, they don't live on that and as the way of Bathsheba did, they shall call and never rise again.
Okay, thank you. That is chapter 8, verse 14, right?